Hello, my friends. I am so in love with our puffins. And if you know me at all, you know that I can never stop at just one stamp set. I go nuts. I go crazy because I get so involved. I get so in love and I just keep going. Well, the good news is I turn them all into products so we can all have them. And mostly I just make them for me. Don't buy them. Go somewhere else. No, I'm kidding. You can buy them if you want. But I needed them. And I had a feeling if I needed them, you might need them too. So let's look at them. Number one is this stamp set. Now, I'm going to put the club set at the top. Club sets on the top. Stamp Club and Die Hard Club members are getting this one at the top. The bottom one has 3 different puffins. Let's look at it this way. Top is the club. This one's the club. Now, you are getting feeling fluffy and feeling fabulous. You're my favorite kind of chill. It's your bird day. Sending puffin hugs for you. Hey, Puffy. This one's kind of looking up like, hey, stepping on something. This one's jumping in the air. So we made these little stamps that make him look like he's jumping in the air. And this one has a cute little flower to give to you or a friend. Now, these 3 stamps are included in, drumroll, yes, you know there is one, the stencils. Because let me just tell you, stencils make me happy. And stencils make it fast. Stencils make it easy. So fast. Get out your inks and your brushes and you're done. Before you can get out and pick out all your ink, your pens, I could already have a puffin colored. That's how fast it is with these stencils. Only problem, there is one big, huge, massive problem with the stencils. They're limited edition. Once they are gone, we do not reorder them. So you need to get these now before they are gone forever. Or you can just use your pens for the rest of your life. Just saying. Okay, here we go. We also had lots of other words to do here. We have winter feels brighter with you. Have a flappy, happy day. Sending fluffy thoughts your way. You're the sparkle in a snowy day. The team used that one a lot. So puffin, thankful for you. Let it snow, let it shine, let it be yours. You're the calm in the cold. And another mini puffin. Every time I can, I try to fit those little guys in. I love that one. Now, yes, there's dies that match the stamp set that I just showed you of the big puffins. And there is an iceberg. Oh, yes, there is an iceberg. Look how cool this is. Now, when I say there is an iceberg, let me show you a sample of these icebergs because they are amazing. You can color them any which way. This one is just all white. Simple, simple, simple. This one has some of the parts colored with ink, an ink brush. That's all it is. Now I have lots more samples. Wait. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Look, oh my goodness, giving a little love heart. Isn't that adorable for Valentine's Day? You are going to see a couple sneak peeks for the next release. I won't tell you what, but there's a sneak peek for the next release on this card. Look how cute that is. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Remember that iceberg I told you about? Why not put it on a bigger card? Look at this. It's a puffin party, right? Right? It's a puffin party. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And there's a sneak peek on that one. Here's another one with the sneak peek, but why not, right? Because those puffins are so dang cute. They're just so cute. I just love them so much. Here's another one, giving you a flower. Here's another one. Look how cute this is. This is with the winter double mini slimline of the trees, and we have our fancy little something something back there. That's a sneak peek, and look how cute they are. I love them. Okay, here you go. Here's another one. Look how cute that is. Here's one that I showed you in the last video, but I'm going to show you again because it's so amazingly awesome. There's that iceberg and the sneak peek and all our cute little puffins. Our cute little puffins. Now, what if you take the iceberg and you add glitter cardstock? Glitter cardstock. Look at that. Is that just unbelievably amazing? I love that with the glitter, the little guys peeking through. That's so dang cute. I just think he's adorable. Now, Last but not least is the masterpiece of the day. Are you ready? It folds flat for mailing, but when you open it up, it is, again, a puffin party. We have a little puffin over there. We have a little puffin over here. We have all, look how cute this is. See how the layers are? 3 different layers. It is the iceberg cut in half on different levels. And look at that. Sending fluffy thoughts your way. Hope your day is puffin perfect. But when it's ready to mail, you're going to close it up and mail it flat. Mail it flat, 5 by 7 in size. Yes, this box cart is available on our website. My loves, good news. And if you're new to Stamps of Life, a little secret. On Stamps and Dies, the first 24 hours we put them on our website, they're on flash sale. So not only do my club members get their club discount every single day, but when items are on the website that are on flash sale for 24 hours or until sold out, they're on an extra discount. Yes, the club members get the club discount and they get the flash sale discount and our everyday low price, which can't be beat, right? But I'll be honest. My club members are part of my family. And any club member that you meet will tell you the exact same thing. They're in the Stamps of Life family. So if you are not in the Stamps of Life family, you need to join a club. Just at least get your feet or your toes wet with the Stamp Club. $13.99 a month. You get a stamp set each month and all the goodness and all the awesomeness. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click join the club and watch that video. It explains all the different clubs and all the different ins and outs and all that good stuff. Monthly commitment is only 3 months. After 3 months, if you really want to, you can cancel. But I have a feeling you won't want to because you're going to fall madly, deeply in love like everyone else. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And guess what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.